Hi, my name is Jeremy Ambers. I'm a first-year student at Camosun College. Before I was attending school here, I was just kind of floating, doing kind of menial jobs, not really knowing the direction where I was headed in life. And I kind of knew that I was going to take a creative route, and I just didn't have an outlet for it. I really enjoy publishing, which is like graphic design and web design and all sorts of stuff to do with that. I like video a lot because I can, utilize my creative talents and just kind of like create things, and edit, and it's really fun. When I graduate, I'd like to most likely find a great job where I, get to utilize as much of my skills that I've learned in my course as possible. The Aboriginal Education and Community Connections office has helped me immensely. I'm sure if I didn't have this service, I wouldn't be where I am today. You can go in there, anything from just, helping you to enroll in school to just giving you like a little snack, it's just a really warm and friendly place. I would definitely recommend the college to anyone who's interested in pursuing education. I've found there's such a diverse amount of fields that you can study. The possibilities are endless.